In the month of June, I made a lot of money with YouTube automation. You're about to find out how much. This channel right there alone made 8.5k in AdSense revenue. I'm going to show you all of my channels and I'm going to show you the exact numbers that I made with them, including AdSense revenue and brand deal money as well. Starting off with channel number 1, as you can see, we made 8.5k with the ads on our videos, which is an extremely good month compared to the other months before. You can see that we were kind of dabbling between 7 and 7.7k on AdSense revenue, and in June we did 8.5k just with the ads alone. So with this channel, that's an extremely good month. If we take a look at the daily chart, we can see that we're making anywhere in weekdays between $300 and $360. In the weekends, it kind of goes down quite a bit to 200 or 250-ish. However, combined, you can see that we had an amazing month with 8.5k in ad revenue, 2.2 subscribers gained, 16.8k in watch hours, and almost 400,000 views. Now what you'll notice is that the revenue compared to the views is really high, and that is because I'm in a high CPM niche. If I quickly go to the revenue, we'll see that we have a $46 CPM in the month of June, a $21 RPM. And basically what this means is that I'm getting paid $21.73 per 1,000 views on my channel. And because of that, we made 8.5k in ad revenue in the month of June. Now that itself is not it, because we also had brand deals. With brand deals, we made over $2,000. I'll pop up some screenshots here and there so that you can see that we've also been receiving payments on PayPal and other payment platforms, which are brand deals. So what we do with these brand deals is that we get paid to feature a product or service in one of our videos, and we simply get paid to do that. I currently have this set up so that my brand deal manager takes care of all of it, so I don't even do active work for that. And once my brand deal manager lands a deal, I'll pay him 25% as a commission, and the rest I get to keep myself. So that's a great deal overall because it adds no extra work for me, yet it produces me more money. So this channel alone made me 8.5k in AdSense revenue and over $2,000 in brand deal money, which combined is over 10.5k for the month of June. The other channel made $14,191 in the month of June, which of course is an extremely good number. $14,000, pretty crazy, right? However, I definitely need to up my game on this channel because as you can see, it has been going down in the last few months. We were kind of hitting $18,000 months, 16,000, 16,000, and it kind of started to go down here where June has been the lowest month on this channel in the last year. So whereas the other channel that I just showed you has continuously been going up and making me more money, this one continues to make me a little bit less money. Now still, $14,000 is an amazing number and I'm very happy with that. However, I do need to step up my game. If we take a look at the CPM and the RPM, we can indeed see that the RPM is up. So I'm getting paid more per 1,000 views on average. It is just that I'm getting less views. So I need to focus on getting my views up again. So I'm gonna make more money with this channel. However, if you combine this $14,191 with that 10.5k, we're already close to $25,000 a month with just these two channels, which is extremely good. So overall, I'm not that happy with this. However, it's kind of like a cash cow. You can see that it's making about 500, 400-ish bucks per day very consistently. So even though I'm not paying that much attention to this channel, it continues to make me anywhere between $400 and $500 every single day, which is pretty good. Then for this channel right there, we made $2,977. Now that is pretty decent. If you can look at the graphs right here, you can see that this one has been very steady, and 2.9k, so very close to 3k, is definitely a good month for this channel. If we take a look at the RPM right here, you can see that this is also up. The CPM is very similar, RPM is up. So once again, I'm getting paid more money per 1,000 views, which is something that I always like to see. So if you combine all of that money, we're at about $28,000 for the month of June. Now that right there is just the revenue. This is not profit. Now for the production cost this month, I paid $5.6k. Because once again, YouTube automation is about not showing your face and about not making the videos. Now if you're new to that entire concept, let me quickly explain it. So you own a channel, but you outsource the video production. So I have a full freelancer team. In fact, I've got multiple teams. I've got over 15 people that work on my channels and videos. So they make the videos, but I own the channels. Now, if you would like to get started with that yourself, I've built a course for you. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I currently have a discount code going on, so if you use the code FRIENDS, you get 20% off your purchase. Anyway, basically what this helps you with is outsource the video production so that you can focus on growing your business, so your YouTube automation business, plus you don't have to worry about being on camera, showing yourself, embarrassing yourself, whatever it is. If you're a bit camera shy, then this is the perfect business model for you because yes, as you can see, you can still make $100 a day, $500 a day, $300 a day without being on camera or showing your face. So if this is something that you would like to get started with, subscribe to my channel, check out the link in the description down below, and who knows, maybe I'll see you inside the program. If you would like me to make this a monthly series where I show you exactly how much I made, please leave a like on the video, subscribe, and then I'll see you next time.